So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to follow someone on Duolingo. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Duolingo app. On here you can see the courses that you can do right now. You can also see some daily goals, some other features underneath as well. So through here you can click on the more actions menu, which will be in the bottom right of the screen, and click on the profile page. So on here you can see the option following and followers. So if you click on following, if you aren't following anyone, you can click on add friends, and then you can click on search by name. Once you do that, you can just go ahead and type a username. Since I've added on this profile that my name is Adam, I'm going to type the same thing. Now this is only to show you guys how this works. If I click on here, you will see a list of the people right there that are studying some languages, some other courses like maths, music, or chess. And you can click this plus sign to start following them. Now you can even go to their profile, and once you open their profile, now again this is just to show you guys, you can see how many people this followed this profile and how many followers it has. So you can just go ahead and click on the plus sign right here for it to have another follower, and that you can start following this person. And when that person sees that you are following them, they may even follow you back, so you can start reviewing each other's courses. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duolingo or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.